question says, find two numbers. What numbers? Whose sum is equals to 10 and whose product is equals to 21. Babylonian table. Now let the number be x and y. Now x plus y is equals to 10. X times y is equals to 21. Find the two numbers whose sum is equals to 10, whose product is equals to 21. Then let's find it. Now, step number one. Can say step number one, we say x plus y is equals to 10. Then you solve for y. How do you solve for y? We say y is equals to 10 minus x. Step number two, we say substitute into the second equation. We say x 10 minus x is equals to 21. Now we expand this and this. 10x minus 2 minus x squared is equals to 21. Now we do what is called rearrange. We say x squared minus 10x minus plus 21 plus 21 is equals to 0. What do we do after here? We use theorem of Pythagoras. We use theorem of Pythagoras. Or we can just go straight to find the values of x and y. It says x squared minus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. We use equation quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? It says x is equals to b minus b, which is minus a b c, minus 10 plus or minus and then the square root of b, which is minus 10 squared minus 4, a is equals to 1, and then c is equals to 21, all over by 2. A is equals to 1, Now x is equals to 10. A and a give us 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 94 divided by 2. X is equals to 10 plus or minus the square root of 16 divided by 2. X is equals to 10 plus or minus 4 x is equals to, divided by 2, x is equals to 14 divided by 2, x is equals to 6 divided by 2, x is equals to 3, x equals to 7, x is equals to 3. Then if x is equals to 7, then y is equals to 3. So final answer says x and y is equals to 3 and 7, or 3, 7. Let's fix it. Remember it said from the beginning, it said, let's go to the beginning. Find two numbers whose sum. Find two numbers whose sum. Find two numbers whose sum. X plus y is equals to 10. X times y is equals to 21. X and y is equals to 7 or 3, 7. How is this correct? Let's see if it's correct. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 3 times 7 is equals to 21. These are the answers. These are the answers.